In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use your existing Guild Wars 2 account on Steam. If you've been playing Guild Wars 2 with an existing account and you've just installed the game through Steam, here is a quick setting you can apply. So the Steam version will let you sign in with your original credentials instead of creating a new Steam-linked account. I'll walk you through it clearly, and by the end you'll be logging in just like you always have. First, make sure Guild Wars 2 is installed through Steam. You can find it in your Steam library once the download and installation are complete. If you've installed it already, you are good to go. Next, in your Steam library, locate Guild Wars 2, then right-click the game title and select Properties. This opens the game settings panel where we can adjust how it starts. You'll land on the General tab by default, which is exactly where we want to be. In the General tab, look for the Launch Options box. This is a small text field that lets you pass special instructions to the game every time it starts. We're going to use this to tell the Steam version to present the original ArenaNet login. Click into the Launch Options box and type the following exactly as shown, -provider portal. Make sure you include the hyphen before provider, a single space, and that portal has a capital P. Accuracy matters here. Extra characters or missing spaces can prevent the setting from working. If you copy and paste, double-check that there aren't any trailing spaces at the end. Once that's entered, you can close the Properties window. Here is no separate save button. Steam saves the change automatically. Now, launch Guild Wars 2 from your Steam library like you normally would, because of the launch option you just added. The game will open with the classic login box that accepts your original email and password from your existing account. When you see that familiar login screen, enter your usual account details to sign in securely. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.